from the fact that he was at this moment disguised in the uniform of a clergyman, there was nothing very sinister about Mr. Cyril Boggis. He was a dealer in antique furniture with his own shop in Chelsea. However, after he'd found a very valuable piece of furniture on an old farmhouse, he decided to divide England in little segments, and to explore a segment per week in pursuit of the most exquisite cupboard or the most elegant chair. He was a talented salesman, and when buying or selling a piece, he could slide smoothly into whichever mood suited the client best. That's why he can always get what he wants.
I do apologize for bothering you. My name is Cyril Boggis and I'm the president of a furniture preservation society. Would you like to take a look at my card?
Yes, but what do you want exactly?
No, I just wanted to take a quick look at your furniture and see what you have there.
Oh, well, okay. Come on in.
Wow, it can't be true. No way. There are only 3 known Chippendale commodes, but this chest of drawers really looks like one of those. It can't be real. It's definitely the 4th Chippendale commode, and I'm sure it cost a fortune. It would go down in history as the Boggis commode.
What's the matter, sir?
No, it's alright, don't worry. Thank you. Okay, let's see what you have here. Okay, nice oak table. And beautiful chairs. Oh, and this chest of drawers. I think it's worth a few pounds, but no more.
Well, I didn't consider it selling it, but how much you would offer me?
And so did Mr. Boggis. After making sure it was an actual Chippendales, the rest was easy for him. Eventually, through trickery and cleverness, he managed to buy it for £20, which is less than 1% of its total value.
Okay, that's not really a good deal for me, but alright. Okay, the legs will be perfect for my coffee table, but the rest will be just for firewood. Okay, so let me go to get my car.
Okay, who will help you?
Thank you very much.
I don't know if this will fit in his car. Well, he said that he only needs the legs and the rest for firewood. Yeah. Go get the axe.